Jason, hey, this is James at Sunny King Toyota. Requiring about a 2019 Camry LE. This is a pre-dawn micro. This is my favorite color right here. Great new lines of these 19 Camrys. They have so much more technology on the last ones. 203 horsepower, average 32 miles per gallon, 38, 39 on the highway. The neatest thing is it has the new Toyota Safety Sense, which is behind the mirror, which gives you lane departure alert, pre-collision, automatic high beam dimmings. On the right side of the car, you're going to see it's just very aerodynamic. I want to show you a couple features when I come right up in here. One of my favorite is the trunk. You hit the trunk button and hold it. The whole trunk rolls right back up, folds all the way back up for you, okay? You don't know more halfway trunk. You look at the back of it, it's very, very low getting in and out. It's got a huge trunk. All you got to do to lower your seats is just pull right here, then slide over to the side, and your seats come all the way down. So you got to pass through all the way through. It's a 60-40 split. One of my favorite features is it's got auto windows on all four windows. Let me show you an example. This is auto window up with the jam protection. Put your hand in there, it'll stop. All these cars have 10 airbags, lifetime powertrain warranty. We do throw in a complimentary 4 years, 45,000 miles free service. Again, this is James at Sunny King Toyota. Please